welcome back to Imperium. So our today's lecture is going to be on file handling, which is our last unit with respect to OOP concepts with the help of C++ language. So we are going to see file handling in this lecture. So let's get started. We'll understand file handling with the help of this code. So let's start. I expect y'all to understand basic C language, C++ language, which I have taught so far. So let's start. Hash include IO stream. Y'all are familiar with this. IO stream stands for input output stream, and this is a new thing. Hash include F stream. Now F stream is used for file where F represents file. F stream basically includes if stream and off stream, where if stream is for input file stream and off stream is for output file stream. So when you write include F stream, it includes both, that is input and output with respect to file. Using namespace std int main off stream out file. Now this is a function that we use to declare file. Now example.txt is a file's name. Out file. Hello, this is a file. This is what we have written to the file. Now out file dot close. This is a function that we are calling to close the file. String text if stream in file example.txt. Now this opens the file for reading. Get line. Now get line function is used to read one by one line. Cout file says text endl. I hope you all know what endl does. Endl moves the pointer to the next line so that the line next to the pointer gets printed on the next line. So cout file says this is gonna print what is written inside the file. In file dot close, this function we are using to close the file. Return 0, this is how we end the program. So let's run this program. Let's see the output. So here we have executed the program. The output says file says hello, this is a file. Now this was the program of file handling, where it is very small, very easy concept, nothing to stress about. The main things for file handling is that y'all are supposed to write this part, that is hash include f stream, where if y'all do not include hash include f stream, it is not going to be considered as a file. So that is one thing, and these functions where out file and in file are included, that is also crucial for file handling. So there are two types of file handling, basically two types of file opening. One is direct, that we have done using open file and close file, and the second one is using constructors, which is very complex, but let's not go there. These are the very easy stuff, and this is what is used. So I hope you all go through this, and I hope you all have understood this example and the concept of file handling. So that is it for today's video.